Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori in my bathroom. Welcome. I am actually going to be doing a demonstration video today of the NuFace Trinity Pro. This is my microcurrent device that I use. I work it into my nighttime routine. So I've already cleansed my skin and it is completely clean. This is the NuFace conducting gel. It has lots of minerals and nutrients in it that the microcurrent is going to help to pull down into the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid for hydrating the skin as well. I'm going to use this little brush to do it. You don't have to do that. The nice thing about this is that you can download the NuFace app on your phone and connect your device to it. And this also gives you extra videos, techniques you can use in order to take care of whatever problem or concern you have that you're using the NuFace for. So I'm using it for maintenance. NuFace is a microcurrent device that actually helps to train your muscle to stay in place. So if your muscle has already dropped from gravity over the years, then you might need to look into surgery. If not, you can try to maintain your muscle placement with your NuFace. All right, so let's get started. So what I do is I take my pump and I actually put a full pump. Actually, I'm going to put 2 pumps on because I'm going to go ahead and do my whole neck. Really, you're just kind of making sure that you've got a nice even layer of this on your skin. So a good tip to know is that if you feel the microcurrent, I dropped a little bit, sorry. If you feel the microcurrent like making your muscle twitch, or it feels a little prickly like a little electrical shock, you do not have enough of the conducting gel on. You want that. I know some of you like to feel the pain, so to speak, because you think something's happening. With microcurrent, that is not the case. If you're feeling any discomfort, then you need to put more conducting gel on, because all that's happening is that microcurrent is bouncing around. It's not going straight to the muscle and doing what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. So here we go. I always start down here, and this is just their facelift video, or a new facelift. So you hear that little beeping sound, that's your cue to go ahead and do another pass. And you want to do it a little slow and then hold it on that muscle. So I do 3 each time. Again, I got this from the video from the NuFace. Make sure that the spheres are always both in contact with the skin at the same time, otherwise you're not getting that current. I just leave it on and I go ahead and put a little bit more on my brush. And now I'm going to do this half of my face. Do the forehead. If you see red streaks, don't be alarmed. It's okay. It'll go away. Okay. Now, what I want to point out real quick is, can you see how this is kind of lifted through here? And you can even see like this eyebrow is a little more lifted than this eyebrow. It's subtle, but it's enough. You can also pop your cheek a little bit more. Just gonna go up like this and hold it right there under the cheekbone. Hold it for a couple of beeps. Even looking straight on, you can see this one pops out a little bit more and it's slightly lifted over here. I love it. All right, I'm gonna do the other side of the face now so I can even me out. But basically, this is the facelift video that they have on their actual app. Now you can actually rub this into your skin. I, however, wash it off my face. Let me tell you why. Because I am using a specific nighttime regimen and it doesn't do well. It makes it extremely sticky, feels like I have a lot on my skin and I don't want that. So I want to use my regimen I'm using at nighttime. So I'm gonna wash this off. Now, some of that was actually pushed deeper into the skin via microcurrent. So I hope that this video has been helpful for you guys. I am gonna actually wash my face off camera and put my nighttime products on, but I do have a couple of segments coming up where I'm gonna be showing you my new AM and PM routine with our new skincare line called BioJuve. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you guys and thank you for watching.